Hello. Fidget spinners. They're an amazing thing. Air compressors. They send air. And today we're in the garage and we're doing an episode of Fidget Spinner VS. So it's going to be fun. First thing, we're going to just, see how fast it can go. So let's do this. So to start it off, we're just going to put it, wrong way. We're going to put it into a vise. Okay. Maybe I'll put this down while I do it. Basically just going to put this into the vise. Look, it doesn't spin. Okay, we'll make it spin. Okay. Nope, we're going to have to take it out of the vise, guys. Out of the vise it goes. This is an easy task. Oh, there it is. Perfect. So what's something we can converse it against? Let me go find something. So just quickly, just to make sure this can go as fast as possible, I'm going to take both sides out. Try clamp this in right in the middle so it just gets so I can get that middle part into the middle perfectly, see? So now it's got none sticking out on each side, and we're just going to spray it with CRC. Lightly. CRC is a lubrication, metal lubrication, so use this on bike wheels, anything. So just let it sit there now. We're done. Oh, you probably can't see me, but yeah, we're done. You always want to put the little white bit on it, so sprays normally, okay. Okay, so for our first experiment, fidget spinner, 1,000 mile fidget spinner versus sledgehammer. Well, mullet actually, rubber mallet. Let me just want to dry this off a little bit. Remember, when using air compressors, be very careful, because if it gets too close to your hands, the air will actually push through your hand, get into your blood, get an air pocket in your blood, and you'll die. So you want to be very careful and do not try this at home, unless you're a professional idiot like me. Let me tilt the camera up a bit. Hello. Okay. Spinning very fast. It didn't put a dent. My dad's got his car here and he was working on his car. You can feel it. What about the wood part? Stops it, as you'd expect. Okay, that's that. Okay, been thinking for like 5 minutes. I've got 2 more things. Okay, I'm not going to tell you this one. $1,000 mile an hour fidget spinner versus air compressor. Doesn't do much. Okay, we need to move for the next shot. So as you might see here, this is my dad's car. It's an El Camino. And yeah, actually I'm going to move the camera over a bit. This is an El Camino 79. So we'll come back here and speed this up. Versus fidget spinner versus car. Doesn't do much. Okay. I think that's gonna be it for the video today, boys. Leave a like, and yeah, for our last experiment, we're gonna do sledgehammer versus fidget spinner. Didn't do much. Next episode will be blank versus will be you're up to you guys. Leave a like and I will do another episode of blank versus. Goodbye, that probably broke my camera, but goodbye.